Hi! If you're here, there is a good chance that you want to know some more things about this product, which is obvious because this is a review video of the Realme 6S. But let me tell you something first. This video couldn't be made without these lights and this amazing table. Actually, let me tell you what happened. Around 3 weeks ago, I got sponsored. I got 1000 lays. It was an untrackable bank transaction, so I cannot thank you in person, whoever you were, but I can thank you in this video. So thank you very much for that money. I could buy myself 2 Yongnuo YN600R lights, which helped me to create this video and obviously to work in these hours. Also, huge thanks to my parents for this amazing table, which was actually made by my father. So thank you very much again, and let's dig into the review. So guys, this is the phone. It was actually announced in 2020 May and it was launched in 2020 June. It weighs around 191 grams and it is just nice. It feels really good and really solid. To be honest with you, I never thought that a phone at this price can have a display this good. I mean, the display is 19 Hz refresh rate, it is an IPS LCD panel, its size is 6.5 inches and it has a resolution of 180 x 2400, which results in a 405 pixel per inch density, which is an amazing experience to have on this phone. Remember, this phone is only 650 lays, I mean, it's crazy. The phone comes with Android 10 and the Realme UI. It has a MediaTek Helio G90T processor which operates on a 12nm technology, which is not the most recent technology, but actually you have nothing to worry about when buying this phone. We can find something else here as well, which is, in my opinion, one of the most fantastic things which we can see on the cheap or entry-level phones, and I cannot understand why we can't see this on flagship, while we are actually paying a lot of money for that. So I just got here the SIM ejector tool and I will get the SIM card tray to show you something. As you can see, it has not one, not two, but 3 slots again. We can see again on an entry-level or mid-range phone this fantastic setup which allows us to have 2 SIM cards and also a micro SD card. We don't have to get rid of that extra SIM card just because we want extra storage. We can use 2 SIM cards and also an extra storage. So good point, fantastic for this as well. Realme, thank you very much. Let me just put my SIM card back a minute. The phone has a quad camera setup. The primary sensor, it is a 48 megapixel f1.8 camera with face detection autofocus. The secondary camera is an 8 megapixel wide camera. The third camera is a 2 megapixel macro and the fourth camera is a 2 megapixel depth sensor. The selfie camera is a single camera. As you can see, it is placed on the top left corner. It is a 16 megapixel f2.0 wide camera and it is capable of shooting 1080p videos at up to 30 frames per second. And you may think that this was all. Well, I need to tell you that we are far from that, because actually this phone has also an NFC. It is using Bluetooth 5.0 It has a built-in radio, which, I mean, it may be useful for someone. It has an amazing fingerprint sensor. This is a capacitive fingerprint sensor side mounted, and it is working just ridiculously fast. So as you can see, that's all. So we arrived at the battery and the charging of this phone, which is amazing. I mean, it has a 4300 mAh battery and it comes with a 30 watts charger. Yes, it's in a box. So with this amazing speed you can charge your phone within 45 to 55 minutes and the phone will last at least one day. The phone is coming in two colors. One is Eclipse Black and the other is Lunar White. To be honest with you, even if it's a plastic back, it is one of my favorites black colors on a phone. So thumbs up for that again and again and again. This is an amazing phone. This is a rule breaker. So guys, this was the video. Thank you very much for watching it. If you think that it was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and obviously like would be amazing. Also, I want to thank you again for these amazing things, for these lights, for this table. You made this happen.